What up, everybody?
Hey, welcome back to the Homebrew Mart. It's been a while.
We're back. We want to brew up another beer. We're thinking about a pumpkin ale, or dessert pumpkin ale.
We're looking at old recipes. We're looking at new recipes. You might see a little something you've seen before.
So, yeah,
I know. Stick with us. We're gonna
figure out.
do a little bit of playing around here. All right, follow us. We're going to the yeast land.
Yeast bank.
Okie dokie. So we were looking for the monastery.
500. Probably over in this section.
Dusseldorf.
Oh, they got Dumbledore? Did he have it?
Last one.
Oh, I'll have to make a starter. But we can do it.
Absolutely. Starter's always the way to go. Okay.
We can do it.
An excellent yeast for high gravity beers, Belgian ales, doubles and triples.
There we go.
Oh yeah, baby. Get on in there. The good stuff. Gotta love it.
At least one handheld.
All right, hey guys, welcome back. So right now we're thinking about what hops we're gonna use. We're doing a pumpkin ale this year. We're gonna go kind of desserty. We just scored the last monastery ale yeast. That's White Labs 500. We've used this before. Yeah, on a couple occasions. And it's great. It's designed for your high gravity beers, those Belgian like strong ales, dark strongs.
I mean, we're not doing that, but it still works pretty good.
Yeah, so it's really good at fermenting with high gravity, and we are going to be adding a few extra things. We're not going super crazy high gravity here, but what we're looking at right now is 7 pounds of Munich malt, 6 pounds of German pills, and another pound of biscuit,
half pound of aromatic malt, and then a 1/4 pound of the peated malt, just to give a little smokiness, earthiness to it.
Yeah, so we're looking at about almost 15 pounds of grain right here. So that's no slouch for a beer.
Nope, it's gonna be good. I think ABV will be around like 7-8%.
Yeah.
Somewhere in there.
So no wimpy beer, but not nuking your taste buds with booze.
Yep.
And then we're gonna add some pumpkin.
Yeah, we got so far we got 2 cans of Cadia organic pumpkin pie puree. So we might do something a little bit different. Maybe doing like a can in the boil and then waiting until it ferments for a week, and then adding a can after.
Yeah, because we've had good luck with trying to extract flavor further on in the fermentation process, but also trying to play with seeing what we can get done early on in the fermentation process as well. So we'll taste it as we go.
Yes, exactly. And then for yeast, or for hops, we're doing 4 ounces of Fuggles.
Yeah, Fuggles, such a classic. So middle of the road, you get your bitterness, you get some good floral elements, but nothing too crazy either way. We want the pumpkin to kind of shine here,
and then
but still be balanced as a beer.
Yeah. And then for yeast, we're doing the WLP 500 Monster Ale yeast, which will give characteristics more to the fruited side of it, or vegetable. Wait, is pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable?
It's a gourd.
It's a gourd. All right, it's a gourd.
It's the great pumpkin, Nate.
Great pumpkin, Charlie Brown?
Yeah, it's gonna rise in the distance and come over and look inside the fermenter while you're asleep and judge if it's a good beer or not.
Oh man, I don't want that.
You've been a naughty beer, it says.
Sounds scary.
It'll be good though. Hopefully the great pumpkin will shine down on us from up above.
That's what we got so far. We'll continue with this, getting the grains, and then we'll get another beer here in a little bit.
Yes, beer and grain next. Hey, we're back. We have refilled and refueled. Now what time is it, Nate?
Grain time.
Grain time! We got all our grains right here. The shepherd's palate. Alrighty.
No shepherd's pie?
Could be.
No shepherd's pie tonight.
Alright, anyway. Nate's got the trusty old Modern Brew Life bucket ready to go.
Pickle bucket.
Get your stickers now.
All the stickers.
All right, so where are we going to start, Mr. Nate?
We will start with the German Munich malt with 7 pounds.
Okay.
First we gotta find it.
Go big or go home.
Right here.
Due to a technical difficulty, Nate's going to explain the last grain that we just added.
Yeah. So we just added the half pound of aromatic malt, 20 level bond. So now we're ready to use the mill.
Mill it.
All this. Wanna mill it twice?
Absolutely.
All right, we're gonna mill it twice. Ugh.
Never stopped us before.
Nope. Smells like freedom. Smells like America.
America.
Smells like rum running. I don't know what that smells like.
Rum running?
You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready?
And we wait. Your barley wine, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Clink.
Oh, the lid's over there.
Let's go get a lid. The flying saucer. Yes. Like seatbelts, so we can be safe. Oh,
That
hey,
tastes good.
don't sample the product.
Too late.
Uh-oh. Too late. I know, it's fermenting inside its taste buds.
Well, if we fill this with water, it probably could ferment.
Give it enough time, absolutely.
Yeah.
We'll go old school today.
All right, to give a recap of everything and have a delicious beer at the end. So, the Halloween special beer, aka the pumpkin pie dessert ale. So for grains, we did 7 pounds of the German Munich malt, 6 pounds of the German Pilsner malt, 1 pound of biscuit malt, half pound of aromatic malt, 1/4 pound of peated malt, and then for hops, we did 4 ounces of Fuggles, or got 4 ounces of Fuggles. And then for the specials, we're going to be using 2 cans of Caddy Organic Pumpkin Puree, which I'm thinking I'm going to probably buy another can of it, just so we can fully elapse of the pumpkin. And then for yeast, we're doing WLP 500 Monastery Ale yeast. I'll be making a starter tomorrow for that. Because, yeah. We're going to figure out more of the specifics later on timing on different things. But right now, this is just what we have. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video, this vlog. I mean, it's the first time since COVID hit that we've done a inside vlog or at the local homebrew mart vlog. So hopefully you guys like it. Gonna catch you guys on the next video. Cheers. Always have a homebrew. Thanks for watching.